Steps for using magnetic photo paper. Want to easily print custom designs and attach them to metal surfaces? Today we'll show you how to use magnetic photo paper. This is an innovative inkjet medium, glossy photo paper on the front, flexible magnetic layer on the back. No glue, no residue, reusable. Step 1. Load the paper glossy side down. Note, print only one sheet at a time. Step 2. Use Nelko app to design a photo, text, pattern, or QR code. Step 3. Let it rest flat for 2 to 3 minutes to dry completely. Avoid touching to prevent smudging. Step 4. Optional, cut along the edges into any shape you like for a personalized look. Step 5. Attach it directly to any clean, dry ferrous metal surface for instant display. Note, only works on ferrous metals. Avoid bending, keep away from strong magnets, let ink dry fully. Flexible magnet, not for heavy objects. Magnetic photo paper, make printing fun and display free. If you love glue-free, reusable displays, give it a try.